Welcome back. This is Resourceful Marcus. In this video I'm going to discuss how to keep small engines from seizing, how to put it away for the year because we're getting colder now, we don't need the lawnmower now, and other various small engines if you're not going to be using them now. I'm going to show you what I do to help it so that my engine won't seize and it'll be able to start. So bear with me. I apologize if there's any bad sound with the wind. It's very windy today. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, alright? So this here handle up how it's supposed to have it. Spark plug out of here, and the mower, socket and ratchet. Okay. This has got sound. Okay, so I'm taking the spark plug out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some transmission fluid in the cylinder so it doesn't seize. You can use motor oil, you can use Marvel mystery oil. I prefer to put a little bit of tranny fluid. So, like this, take our funnel in there where the spark plug will go, and put a little bit of tranny fluid in there. Well, for a moment, so it goes down into the cylinder, just like that. Pull it a few times, a little bit might shoot out. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay. So you get a few pulls. You might see some fluid spit out a little bit. A few pulls. Working it into the cylinder. That way your cylinder don't seize on your mower. Automatic train fluid, as you can see. And there are a few pulls. There we go, that's it. She's golden. That mower won't seize now. Should be good for next year again. And when I start it up next season, it's going to smoke like a son of a bugger at first, which is okay, that's normal. Burn that tranny fluid off and good as new. Put the spark plug back in now. Putting the spark plug back in. Always leave your spark plug cap off when you're not using the mower or if you're moving it around. Safety standing there. That really helps the motor not to fight out. Great to have it anyway, right? Everything's safe and sorry. Tighten up the spark plug now. Like this video, hope it helped you. Thanks again for watching. There we go, that's it. Make sure that plug's in there snug. Snug as a bug on a rug. Okay. Again, that was just to show you how to stop small motors, small engines from seizing when you're not using them. Either take a little bit of tranny fluid, motor oil, Marvel mystery oil, put a funnel, tilt your motor back, dump some of that in there a little bit, and obviously gotta make sure your spark plug's out to do it, and give her a few pulls, and then that way the piston's going up and down the cylinder, and then put your plug in and you're good. And then when you go to use your mower next year or your small engines, it's not going to be seized. Okay, it keeps the moisture out of there, that way it doesn't lock up on you. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off. See you later.